talk about two issues. One is the concept environmental sustainability and intelligence. The other you like further extend my view. What is general green technologies? Yeah, this outline the talk. First, we want to discuss the general green concept. Then we want to discuss big data and ICT, the relevance with green issues. Then I would like to discuss general green technologies. Yeah, here are a few papers in last year. Yeah, basically the idea is say the important issues and emergency about climate change and the environmental issues. This show this year the global temperature issues is serious, very serious. This is a tendency of over 150 years. It is clear the trend is very clear and very serious to the world. This was the river in France last year. You can see the river out of water, and this just France, but the issues also appeared in many other countries. In the end of July, United States, not the United States, United Nations Secretary Antonio Guterres, he said, the era of global warming has ended and the era of global boiling have arrived. This kind of not just say global warming has ended, but this gave us a warning how serious what we meet in the world. Yeah, this was in China called Zhuozhou. Zhuozhou is a suburb of Beijing because the high running, the flooding, and all across the city. Yeah, this also flooding is from Libya recently called Derna. Yeah, no, over 5,000 people died, and more people disappeared. Yeah, then we want to discuss what is the green concept. My area more relevant to information technology. In information technology, this area in recent 20 years the majority of the research. Let's talk about the energy consumption and energy efficiency. And they call the green issue is equal to energy and energy consumption issues, energy efficiency. But for the general concept, we feel this too limited. This understanding is too limited. In 2011, when we created the technical committee called IEEE technical committee, green communication and computing. Yeah, we define what is green. Green is the drawing sustainable and friendly. A drawing or using or these two concepts. That means green not just energy consumption or energy efficiency, but all with more general sustainability, and should be with friendly feature to the world. Yeah, another tendency is the big data. Big data is a concept coming the early 2000. Yeah, through the years, there have a number of investigation, different feature of big data. Yeah, we are interested to investigating the two concepts or two important tendency. One is big data, the other is green challenges. Then actually we wrote two papers. First, I want to address what is big data. Actually, have another concept called data science. Yeah, although we are saying big data, actually those discussions also apply to data science. This is the first issue. The second issue, what the relations data science with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Yeah, through the years, we consider machine learning and artificial intelligence is a subset of data science. Actually, that means what we discuss, big data meet green challenges, also relevant to machine learning and artificial intelligence with the issue green issues. Yeah, actually we have two papers. One is the first paper is called Greening Big Data. Greening big data means we discuss the green issue within big data systems and the data science systems. For environmental issue and green issues, one important concept called life cycle. Life cycle, in terms of life cycle, big data means from generation, acquisition, communication, storage, and analytics. This life period of big data. Yeah, in the paper, we threw this thread to discuss and discuss the green issues in the whole life period, and also life cycle means the trend will turn around. In the paper, we propose a new green measures, or called new metrics for energy efficiency. Here, the alpha is defined. The alpha is called the important factor. Traditionally, energy efficiency, especially in ICT area, typically the equation 1 is the typical definition of energy efficiency. That means the NB is equivalent about the information bits, the number of information bits or length of information bits. And when we have alpha, the information bits no longer equivalent. In traditional research, no alpha. That means we no longer consider the information bits as are equivalent. We consider the different level, the importance for different data, different bits. For the details, you may check the papers. The basic idea, we consider that the energy efficiency is called effective energy efficiency. It's no longer just energy efficiency. Yeah, this is relevant to the different database, different level of importance to impact the energy efficiency design and the systems. Another papers in this direction, it's called the big data toward the green applications. Yeah, big data toward well, the first paper is called greening big data. The second is called big data toward green applications. That means, well, we are considered more general green application, and the green application not necessarily directly relevant to big data. Yeah, this is more general issues. It's not just the greening big data. Yeah, we talk about environmental issues, energy efficiency, energy management for different applications, and general sustainability. Yeah, besides big data, we consider another general concept, ICT. ICT means information and communication. And the information basically is equivalent to computing. That's the computing and the communication technologies. Yeah, we discuss the concept called Sustainable Development Goals. This specific term defined in 2015 by United Nations. Before SDG, MDG was adopted in early 2000. The difference is MDG is more, you can say, not for all the countries. It's for some more developed countries. But SDG is more general for the whole world, including developing countries and developed countries. For example, SDG consider rich and poor countries. Consider equity, equity of the world. Yeah. Basically, we discuss not just the ICG. Yeah, more important, we want to discuss ICT. Actually, ICT including data science and big data, certainly including machine learning and artificial intelligence. And we you see here the category the 17 SDG to 3 categories. As we know, as we have known, this is the first. This was the first category for SDGs, and the variant of our category also appeared in some later papers. Yeah. First of all, we would like stress. Yeah. Basically, the category not just for convenience for discussions, but more could provide more general view for general sustainability. Certainly, SDG goals they have a period. The period for the 2015 to 2030. But we consider more general issues, much more than SDG. Yeah. When we have the categories, we can to have a more general view of relevant issues. Yeah. Here I have some details. Our categories for social, environmental, and also economic. Yeah, yeah. For example, in economy sustainability, you can see the poverty. The poverty. This was not used in the early stage in MDG. Yeah. Now we discuss another concept called environmental intelligence. One question is, environmental intelligence is a new term or not? Actually, not. Yeah. Environmental intelligence was appeared even 1996, but the concept is different. In the early stage, as the statement here, the John Dutch. John Dutch was an officer of United States CIA. Thus, the environmental intelligence was relevant to security, or you can say the government or national security of United States. Yeah, but not a general. The environmental here is not a general environment. We discussed for the general sustainability. Another term called ambient intelligence. Ambient intelligence also was appeared in late 1990s, and simply say ambient intelligence is a subset of environmental intelligence. Talk about the electronic environment nearby the people, how sensitive and the response to the people. Now we would like to discuss more general concept green technologies. Yeah, in early stage we discuss big data and the information technologies. Through the years, we found The green issue is very cross-disciplinary. It's not just say ICT or some other, for example, renewable energy, some other technologies. Yeah, those also cross-disciplinary, but we found those not enough, because even for example, green computing, green ICT, yeah, it's cross-disciplinary, but very limited, because the those kind of technologies focus on some specific area, may ignore or avoid some important other issues across other disciplines. The general field, green technology could including many different topics. We list here: civil engineering, green chemistry, and so on. Thus, we we established a journal. The journal started last year, and called Green Technology and Sustainabilities. This journal is try to support the truly cross-disciplinary topics. In early stage, we know have some journal about the sustainability, but we investigation, we haven't found general green technologies are the main focus of some journals. That's the mission of this new journal. Yeah, this is a basic introduction of our journal. This is the topics, the basic topic of the journal. This is just a brief introduction. If you want to know details, you can see our journal website. Yeah, the journal right now have 3 issues published for January, May this year, and also in coming issue, the 3rd issue will be published soon, later September. Yeah, and we mentioned in July, our GTS journal is indexed by DOAJ. DOAJ is one of the 5th largest publication index in the world. Yeah, such as, for example, SCS Scopus, EI Complex. Yeah, this is a record of GTS index by DOAJ. Yeah, and overall, we need the general green technologies to support, to promote human society security under the earth. Thank you for attention. Welcome questions.